Hey,
Hi.
Jackie.
Can I introduce us?
You're in a guy voice.
I know. Can I introduce us
Go
now?
ahead.
Hi, I'm Milo, and that's Otis.
Oh my god, hey! What is up? I'm Otis. I just said that. And I'm re-saying it. I'm gonna hit you. And I'm gonna punch you. I hope you get sad. Maybe go into depression.
But I don't like being depressed.
Anyways, on today's segment, yeah, we're gonna be cool kids. Ready for this?
You're not distressed anymore. I'm not. Neither am I. Open. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. That's what, Jackie. You okay? No!
Avril Lavigne? No. Okay, good, because I don't like her.
I'm going to the Jonas Brothers!
Not again. Just kidding. I love them.
Milo. Otis. What's poppin'?
No.
Football. Monster Truck!
We are darkies.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
No spray.
No, Trump is bad. What is it? No, where's my boyfriend? I'm saying it out. I'm just grandma sound like a pedophile.
I like robots. I like
going to strange countries.
You like to go to strange countries?
I do indeed.
Do you like foreign kids? No, foreign kids are kind of gay.
I'm from a strange country.
That's why you're gay.
I'm not gay. You are too. No, I'm not.
She asked me to make out earlier.
Ew. Just kidding. He's the gay one.